Hi everyone, my name is Francisco Rilizan and I'm 21 years old. And I'm from Pawa, Buac, Marinduque. And I'm currently studying Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. So my hobbies po is I love playing online games, and it helps me reduce some stress and it relax my mind. And I also love cooking, and I always cook for my family because sometimes they are tired of work. That's why I always cook in our house. And during weekends po is uh, lumalabas-labas, nagtatambay po kasi hindi naman po ako umiinom, mabait na bata po ako kasi masama po sa kalusugan yun. So, my expectation po in this subject is I hope this subject, project management, helps me to understand more about planning, executing projects, or initiative to support employees or organizational growth para po madala ko pag nagtatrabaho na or pag nag-OJT, may konting alam na kung paano mag-execute ng mga and pagpaplano, ganun po. And uh, I also want to learn more about practical tools like managing timelines, resources, and I hope this subject helps me gain the confidence I want to be an HR to handle people.